Okay, well, I'm back again. You know, when I go to the store and pick something up, I don't wait to get home to do unboxing. I just can't wait. I want to see what's up. So I guess I got the next thing here that I'm going to grab is see what we got here. I got that tripod, but that's not what I'm opening. I'm opening this thing right here. This is the DJI Osmo Pocket. I've been hearing a lot of good things about this, but like everybody tells you, this is not supposed to be your only camera. This is just supposed to be something that you can just use in a pinch. And this is something that'd be good for me because I usually film with my cell phone sometime when I don't want people to see. I kind of hold it in my hand. I try to hide that I'm actually filming and stuff like that. This thing right here, from what I understand, this will fit right into my hand, so I'll be able to grip it in my hand. The only thing that'll be sticking out will be the head of the camera. So I don't have anything to open this up with. That's the problem with doing unboxings in your car, is that you don't always have something to open up with, and you in here looking crazy. Alright, let's see, what can I do here? Shoot. Oh, I might have got up under that plastic. I'm not sure. Oh, here we go. Something's happening. Okay, I thought I was going to have to stop the video, but it looked like something's going on here. Okay, there we go. That's what's up. All right, now we good. All right, now. Ooh, what's this right here? Okay, what's this? Okay, I'm gonna see if this paper just slides off, which it does. That's what's up. Okay, slid that off. That's in Chinese or Japanese, so I don't really read that. Here we go. Okay, for more information, whatever that is, Instagram and Osmo Shield. Where's this crap? Not sure what that is. Something about Osmo Shield. Osmo Shield doubles the warranty period for your Osmo. Okay, so I guess that's additional warranty I can buy if I want. And this is it right here. Let's see what's up. Whoa. Okay, this is the box that I'll probably keep this box to carry it in sometime, but more than likely, when I throw it in my suitcase, it's just going to be inside of this right here, not in this big thing. But I might carry this with me sometime. Alright, so this is it right here. This is, okay, what's this right here? It's got some cords in here. Let's see what it is. Oh shoot. Okay, that's a USB-C cable right there. I dropped something. Can't see what it is. Here it goes. Okay, I dropped the USB-C adapter. That's what it is. Something that I actually need. The iPhone that adapter for the iPhone is for clowns. You know, real people carry Android, so of course this is what I need. Let's see what else we got in here. And this is probably the iPhone one, which I don't need. So if anybody needs it, let me know. You can have it for free. There it is right there. That's the iPhone one. Okay. USB-C cord. Hey, okay, this right here. Let's finish going here. That come right below. I don't know what that stuff is. Your little strap. Some more books, instructions. More books, instructions, and that's it. This right here is it's got I don't know. This is the screen. It's got something on the screen. Okay, you're supposed to peel it off, but I can't even get it. Okay, here we go. Okay, that's that. It's got one on lens too. That's what's up. Okay. How do you power this thing up? Okay. This the power button? Oh, there we go. Something's going on there. That's what's up. Oh, okay. Okay, that's not right. I think it's on French. Yeah. I didn't mean to do that. I don't know what happened. It went on French, so I might have to go back and let me turn off, see if it'll. If I can do anything. Okay, no. Okay, there we go. All right, it's on English. Device not activated. Just like all DJI devices use, you have to activate them. So I'm not prepared to activate this right now, but this is what it looked like. This thing really, I mean, this thing feels crazy in the hand, man. It's like, that's what I'm talking about. When I go places, I don't want nobody to know I'm filming. I'm going to hold it just like that. You see that? You know what I mean? Just like that. So it's not really, you know, whereas a cell phone will be a lot bigger. Of course, your boy, I have this right here. A lot of people don't know what that is, but this is actually a cell phone also. But, you know, I just use it for hotspot mainly. But, I mean, this is the Jelly Pro. If you know how small the Jelly Pro is, you pretty much know how small this thing right here is. But it's pretty small and cool. And I can't do much with it because I have to activate it. So I'll just go ahead and get into that a little bit later. Peace.